Picture this. You open the app, scroll for 20 minutes, and don't see a single person you actually know exists 2 miles away. That's not bad luck. That's the algorithm. Before you even open the app tonight, a decision has already been made about you. Not by a person, by a score, calculated from thousands of your own swipes that quietly decides which faces you'll see tonight and which ones you never will. You didn't choose that. You just think you did. Dating apps don't show you everyone. They show you a curated slice, ranked by a system built to predict one thing: how likely you are to swipe right, and how likely they are to swipe right back. Tinder's own patents describe something close to an ELO-style rating, the same math chess players use to rank each other. Get swiped right by highly rated people, your score climbs. Get left swiped a lot, it drops. Your score doesn't just measure attraction, it measures how available your attention is. Match with someone and immediately leave the app? That's great for you, but bad for the platform's engagement numbers. You're not browsing a full pool, you're seeing whoever the model decided is worth showing you, based on a definition of compatible set by an engineering team, not by you. There's a reason swiping feels almost involuntary after a while. Every swipe is a tiny bet. You don't know if the next face is a match or nothing. That unpredictability, a reward that might come, might not, on no fixed schedule, is the exact same mechanism that makes slot machines addictive. Behavioral researchers call it a variable ratio reward schedule, and it's one of the most powerful habit-forming patterns we know of. It's not that you're weak-willed for swiping past midnight. It's that the app was built deliberately to produce that exact behavior. The action of swiping became the product. Finding someone was just the story it's sold as. And here's the part almost nobody talks about. Even when the system works, even when you get a great match, the app's real damage might already be done. When there's always one more profile to see, committing to the person in front of you starts to feel like closing a door on something better. Psychologists call this the paradox of choice. Past a certain point, more options don't make people happier with their decision. It makes them less satisfied, more anxious, and more likely to keep looking, even after finding something good. The infinite scroll isn't just a UI pattern. It's quietly training people to treat potential partners the way they treat everything else in an endless feed, as something to keep scrolling past, just in case. And here's the strange part. We have more access to more people than any generation in history. Millions of profiles, endless swiping, technically unlimited options. And somehow, loneliness hasn't gone down. If anything, it's gotten worse. More choice was supposed to mean more connection. Instead, a lot of people are more alone than ever, with a phone full of options they never actually talk to. So here's what's actually going on. It's not one thing working against you. It's 4. A score you can't see, deciding who you're shown. A business model that profits when you don't leave. A reward loop your brain didn't sign up for. And an illusion of endless choice that makes commitment feel like a loss. None of these are separately dramatic. Stacked together, they add up to something you never actually agreed to. So, is this actually good for us? Maybe that's not even the right question. What actually matters is whether you're still choosing who you talk to, or something else is choosing for you and just making it feel like your decision.